Welcome back to my channel, guys, and to the Dress It Up and Make It Real for Me series, where we take box and quick items and put our little spin on it to improve them. So I have a cup of cheese here, one mild cheddar and one sharp, and then I have the water that they recommend on the back of the box here. And we're just going to go ahead and get this all mixed up. This is the one packet of the biscuit mix that comes in that box that I just showed you. And so we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up, and we'll see that the biscuit mix is just a little tighter than we would like it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and include just a little bit more water there, and once more get this mixed up, because we want this to be a solid mix. However, we do also want it to be able to easily move. So as you can see here, it's able to now just go ahead and fall off of my spoon. So I'm ready to go ahead and get this into my baking pan. So here we are. I've just added some butter that I've gone ahead and melted to the bottom of my baking sheet. And I'm just going to take about, I don't know what this measurement is like, I don't know, a heaping tablespoon, I guess you could say, a scoop here of this biscuit mix. I want to make about 8 of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them here onto the baking sheet, and I'm going to put them in the oven. I followed the exact instructions on the box as far as baking temperatures and times. I just kept an eye on them until they were nice and brown here, as you see, just like they look in the restaurant. And final step, I'm going to go ahead and get my butter mixed up. So I have my melted butter here, the seasoning packet that they included, and I add a little extra garlic powder as well as some pink Himalayan sea salt here. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up, and we're going to get this butter drizzled over top of our biscuits and, basted down, wiped down, whatever you want to call it down. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know how they turned out for you. That's about it, really. Thanks for stopping by as usual, guys. Go ahead and hit the like on this video for more content to come your way. I'm just going to go ahead and show you what the inside of one of these look like. Bam. Moist, soft. It's not overdoing it on the cheese by adding in that extra cup. Enjoy. Hit that like button. Thanks for stopping by.